So since this problem set decision variable is x, I, j is from I to j, which means x1, 3 means from group 1 to plant 3. Okay? The amount of the orange shift from the group 1 to the this is the amount of orange. Actually, it's a number of bushel, right? So what we want is what is your transportation cost? So it will be if you send a certain amount from 1 to 1, the transportation cost will be 21 times x11, right? And then what is next? Next is 50, this is 50, 1 to 2, 50 times x1 to 2 plus 40 times x13 because this is 40, it's 1 to 3, right? And then I don't know how much I will send, but anyway, if I choose this number, this will be your all transportation cost. 35x21 plus 30x22 plus, maybe you are not sending out any, one of these. You are not using any route, but anyway, this is your total transportation cost. 22x23 plus 55 x31 plus 20x32 plus 25x33. So you will choose 9 number, right? This is x11, this is x12, this is x13, and so on. This will be x33. So we will decide that this all 9 numbers, and this is your total transportation cost, and then I'm trying to minimize it. Now this is the minimization problem. So what are the constraints? Constraint is I have to send out all of this, right? So send out all is how much is this? How many bushel of orange will be sent out from group 1? x11 is from 1 to 1. So from 1 to 2 is x12 plus x13. This, if you add these 3 numbers, this will be total amount of orange which sent out from the group 1. Should be what? Because you cannot send out more than you have, so it cannot be greater than this number. And since you want to send out everything, because you want to process all of the orange you have, so it has to be exactly 275,000. So it cannot be less than this number, it cannot be greater. From 1, okay, from 2 to 1 plus 2 to 2 plus 2 to 3 will be the total amount of oranges sent out from the group 2. So this should be exactly 400,000. And also 31, 32, 33 should be the 300,000. And what is another constraint? Another constraint is the plant capacity. one. So we have to, the plant 1 cannot get more than its capacity. So plant 1 get how much, how many number of bushel. So x1 to 1 is coming to the plant 1. This one is also coming to the plant 1, which is x21 plus x31 should be less than or equal to its capacity. So you can do that for the plant 2, plant 3, you will have this one. So be careful, this is not the same thing. This and this is different, right? This is one from 1. This is, okay, let's say, this is the blue, this one. So I will say this is this one. So x1, 1, x2, 1, and x2, 1, right? This is obviously different number. So this is all constraint. This is this is the objective function. This is your decision variable, and you can solve the problem. And I will show you how to solve this problem using Excel.